fraud. The NBA also getting voter fraud.
Like that. He's all like, the internet is the problem.
So that's Tom Brady doing autograph sessions with these TriStar memorabilia. That's not easy for me to say. And this session, fans could end up paying more than $2,000 per autograph. We're going to take a look at some of the prices, okay? An 11x14 flat item costs $799. A helmet or jersey, $849. And a game used anything will set you back about $2,000. Wrap.
When does it stop with this guy? When does it stop with this guy? Is that money going to charity?
Why?
What is that money for? I mean,
for him.
Charity of my own.
For what? A few extra $1,000 for what?
Tom Brady Inc.
Forget this guy, man. Enough. You won the Super Bowl. He should be happy that the Charles Oakley incident happened because now we don't have to hear about this guy anymore.
Marcellus, how much do you charge for your autograph?
Oh, $5.99. $5.99. If I'm lucky on a good day, if there's a line outside already. Hold on.
Wait, what?
What is it?
I was kidding. This is real.
You know I don't want to put it out there how much I'll get, but I thought Brady was going to charge more.
Autograph signing fees?
I thought Brady was going to charge more. I get it. No, just kidding. Let me not go there. I want to attack you for this, brother.
Go ahead.
Hold on.
Take a shot at me. Take a shot at me, Marcellus?
How can the internet make a cottage industry off of autograph signings and make money, but then the guy who's actually doing the autographing can't make money himself? How can you make that point?
He should absolutely make money, but at a certain point, like,
what point?
Why doesn't he go on vacation? No, but at a certain point, it's like how much is too much? Why don't you donate
There's no such thing as too much if you're putting in the work.
Here's the deal. You're only worth what somebody is willing to pay.
Amen.
If he didn't have a $2,000 autograph, people would not pay $2,000.
I agree.
So
like, you should be mad at the grown-ups that are doing
this. It's not Brady.
Yeah, what do you want the autograph for anyway?
I'm not that guy.
It's not Brady. You know what? If somebody want to pay me $2,000, I would sign toilet paper. If you want to pay $2,000,
he's over the moon.
I had enough with him and his 5 rings. I had enough of those guys.
But his greatness has jumped the shark or something.
No,
killed me, man.
I agree with him. I'm over it.
Wow.
Moving on.